I wanted to be something, you know, very heroic, very wear a fancy uniform, be an officer. And so I chose infantry, and you were allowed to choose your theater of operation, and I chose Europe because that's where it was happening, and I would personally put an end to it. I decided on a career, and it would be thus, that I would be killed in action, and my family would get the incredible sum of $10,000 in cash, an unbelievable number. And so I never looked after myself in the way that you were supposed to do. I never crawled. Of course, my mother wouldn't like me to be wet and dirty anyway. I never took any of the precautions. I must admit, I volunteered. I wanted to get involved. I wanted to be in the thick of it. And you didn't do that in the infantry. You didn't volunteer.